tell you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
I guess they have Flying This Flying J has RV filling stations, plus you can pump in the same place. Really cool, and it's $10. I just found out $10 to dump. So we're gonna do all that right now. It's a great thing. I never seen this before, where you get the gas and you dump in the same place. What a great thing. They give you a special code to dump, and then you put it in the box, and then you can dump in the same place where you get the gas. Pretty cool. So we're backing up. Here's the RV gas area, and there's diesel and regular gas at this pump. So you don't have to do it with the cars, which is a great thing, because it is a pain in the neck. And it's all open, it's easy to get in. Really didn't have to do much direction as far as him getting into the spot. I wish they would all have this. Now Scott's gonna dump. Honestly thought that we would have to go somewhere else to do the dumping. There it is. This is the dump. I have not tried it yet. Dump.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
No problem with the...
Gets it all snug in.
So, I guess when you unlock it, this opens.
Oh yeah. So, here's the receipt. On the bottom is the code of that. You see it all the way down.
So it says, obtain code from cashier.
We did.
Have hose ready to dump already. Enter code, light on, cap open, insert hose within 1 minute. So, all right. 1, 9, 6, 3.
It says light on.
Maybe it's just not working. Okay.
Okay. There we go. Here comes all the fun.
There we go. Black first.
Black first. Always do black first, right?
Yes. I saw the poopy.
Oh my gosh.
That was
Lovely.
Melissa's.
Okay.
I saw Melissa's go.
Okay, you're really
I saw
funny.
Melissa's go.
That's like gross.
Oh, that was mine. That was mine. I saw the corn. The corn. Okay, now the tough one. Here we go. The gray.
Like gross.
Gushing. That's gonna clean it up. Oh, a little extra. Now it's gonna get clearer.
Now I can do dishes.
There's Melissa's hair.
Okay.
All the hair.
Now, thing you have to do. Oh, there it goes. Okay. There it goes. So how was it for you? Was it easy, hard? Easy. all clean. Now he puts that back. It was looked quite easy. We've been boondocking. This will be our 4th night of boondocking. So there's no place to dump when we're boondocking. We had to conserve water. So at least now I know everything is cleared out. And we just have one more night, and then after that we will be at a campground for 3 nights in Montreal. Oh, yeah.
You could use gloves in this, but that's not my style.
Oh, great. Those soap, you gotta go inside and do soap.
Okay. Here we go.